If you have a cocoa tree like this in your compound, then you can make chocolate. This tree is over 8 years old. You can see it has ripe cocoa pods. The ripe cocoa pods have been harvested. I will show how to make chocolate from this. The first stage is to break the cocoa pods and remove the beans. Store the beans in a covered bowl or container for about a week. You can drain the fermented juice that forms after a day or so during this process. This is how the cocoa beans will look like after a week. Next is to wash the cocoa beans with water, spread them on a tray and sun dry for about 3 days. This is how the cocoa beans will look like after it has been sun dried. The beans can now be roasted. Place them in a frying pan and stir continuously under moderate heat. When the beans are well roasted, their outer shell will crack and give out a popping sound. After roasting, let the beans cool, then remove their outer shells. Now blend the beans. You should use a high-powered blender or grinding machine. Blend dry initially, but as it begins to pastify, you can add your flavors and sweetness. Add sugar to taste, milk, little amount of water, and blend into smooth creamy chocolate. To keep your chocolate fresh, store in a freezer.